Mathematics Syllabus. Algebra. Algebra of complex numbers, addition, multiplication, conjunction, Boolean representation, properties of modules and principal argument, triangle inequality, cube roots of unity, geometric interpretations. Quadratic equation with real coefficients, relations between roots and coefficients, formation of quadratic equation with given roots, symmetric functions of roots. Arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progressions. Arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means sum of finite arithmetic and geometric progressions. Infinite geometric series, sum of squares and cubes of the first n natural numbers, logarithms and their properties. Permutations and combinations, phenomenal theorem for a positive integral index. Properties of phenomenal coefficients. Matrix as a rectangular array of real numbers. Equality of matrix, addition, multiplication by a scalar and product of matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Determination of a square matrix of order up to 3. Inverse of a square matrix of order up to 3. Properties of these matrix operations. Diagonal, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix and their properties. Solutions of simultaneous linear equations in 2 or 3 variables. Addition and multiplication, rules of probability, conditional probability, Bayes' theorem, independence of events, computation of probability of events using permutations and combinations. Trigonometry, trigonometry functions, their periodicity and graphs, addition and subtraction formula, formula involving multiple and submultiple angles, general solutions of trigonometric equations, relations between sides and angles of a triangle, sine rule, cosine rule, half angle formula and the area of a triangle, inverse trigonometric functions within bracket principal value only. Analytical geometry, 2 dimensions, Cartesian coordinates, distance between 2 points, section formula, shift of origin, equation of a straight line in various form, angle between 2 lines, distance of a point from a line, lines through the point of intersection of 2 given lines, equation of the bisector of the angle between 2 lines, concurrency of lines, centroid, orthocenter, incenter and circumtensor of a triangle, equation of a circle in various forms, equations of tangent, normal and chord, parametric equations of a circle, intersection of a circle with a straight line or a circle, equation of a circle through the points of a intersection of 2 circles and those of a circle and a straight line, equations of parabola, ellipse and hyperbola in standard form, their Fourier, dialectics and eccentric, parametric equations, equations of tangent and normal. Lucas problems, 3 dimension, direction cosine and direction ration, equation of a straight line in space, equation of a plane, distance of a point from a plane. Differential calculus, real valued functions of a real variable, into, onto and one-to-one functions. Sum, difference, product and quantity of 2 functions. Composite functions, absolute value, polynomial, radiational, trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic functions. Limit and continuity of a function, limit and continuity of the sum, difference, product and coordinate of 2 functions. L'Hospital's rule of evolution of limits of function. Even and odd function, inverse of a function, continuity of composite functions, intermediate value, property of continuous functions. Derivative of a function, derivative of the sum, difference, product and quantity of 2 functions, chain rule, derivatives of polynomial, radiational, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic functions. Derivatives of implicit functions, derivatives up to order 2, geometrical interpretation of the derivative, tangents or normals, increasing and decreasing functions, maximum and minimum values of a function, rules theorem and Lorentz means value theorem. Integral calculus, integration is the inverse process of differentiation, indefinite integrals of standard function, define integrals and their properties, fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Integration by parts, integration by the methods of substitution and partial fraction, application of defined integrals to the determination of areas involving simple curves, formation of ordinary differential equations, solutions of homogeneous differential equations, separations of variables method, linear first order differential equations, vectors, addition of vectors, scalar multiplication, dot and cross products, scalar triple products, and their geometrical interpretations.